Looking for a fun house? Welcome to 2309 Glendale Cir in Antioch. As you're greeted by these handsome tall trees in the front, this fantastic home in Antioch offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and an awesome backyard. Are you ready? Let's take a closer look. Oh hey, welcome to your entertainment center. With so much space here, imagine the possibility. A game room, entertainment room for parties, or just simply a place to relax. With that much entertainment, you're gonna want a kitchen like this, with so much space, a nice island, a modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertop. And best of all, if you're a wine collector, I got a surprise for you. Wow, check out this wine cellar. How cool is that? Well, if that video was to snore, at least you got this wonderful, spacious backyard to relax in. And for your garden lover, we have lemons here, grapefruit, and more. Thanks for taking the tour, guys. I can't wait to show you in person. We're located at 2309 Glendale Cir in Antioch. For more information, please check out our website or give us a call. I can't wait to see you here soon.